Hi guys, welcome to the shady part of Good to have you back, Sputnik. Pin chicken! Ooh, we're trading. Yeah, we're trading. Early. I don't know. This can take time, guys. This can take definitely time, but, you know, better be early than late, you know. You know what I say, Man, I can catch up with you streams. Need more hours in a day. LFG. Maestro. Team's done too. Gonna trade against it. What is the trend right now? Yeah, trend is I'm gonna give it a trade against it. You guys gotta understand, guys. You gotta understand. We get some kind of downtrend or uptrend. Doesn't matter. You don't have to trade. All of these times are going against the trend. All of these times are going against the trend, and all of these times there is a probability to break out, guys. All of these times there's a probability to break out. Okay. Just because you are going against the trend doesn't mean that you know. Oh man, you should only short, only short. Yeah, but it's a downtrend that's gonna, you know, if it breaks up, it's gonna, you know, explode. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We're gonna take a quick 5-minute break. Then I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna look at coins. Yeah, the 0.31 long. Oh damn, man, we missed that big time. Good morning, Chris. How you doing, Ben? Good morning. Good morning, Shiba. Alex. Also good yesterday. We stayed in. Yeah, we never stay in. You know, when we trade, and we know where our exits are. You know, so if it goes against us, we exit. So there is that. Mana already pump. I was hoping for a little bit more pullback on Mana though. We could catch Mana on a slight pullback up here. $83 or something like that. Bullish engulfing candle above the moving averages. Resistance hitting right now. Pullback back to the resistance. Tell you have now climbed to become my number 2 TA guy after Kyle Dopes. Great job, great show. Thanks, man. I don't know who Kyle is. Kyle Dopes. I gotta check the guy out. By the way, Volt is stopping the withdrawals and stuff like that. If you don't know about that, some kind of shitty wallet. I don't know if shitty wallet, but it's Twitter guy. Instagram. Spend on looking at charts, on-chain metrics, and crypto Twitter. Guys, look at on-chain metrics, man. What? Ah. Earning chart of volatility kings, and this is Bitcoin. Let me just do this. Open picture in your frame. There we go. I just want to see resistance. Resistance, major support. Major support. Some inflation but transitionary. Okay, high inflation but we are peaking. Okay, inflation maybe not be transition, but job market wage growth very strong. Need to hike aggressively to curb inflation, but no worries, economy is very strong and soft landing possible. Negative growth Q1 but no recession. Okay, recession coming but you will not lose your home. Okay, you may lose your home but you won't starve to death. Funny. Funny guy, like it. Like the guy already. Hello Mr. Hello Goom, how you doing? Sheldon meanwhile is bullish. We are bullish with Sheldon. I think everybody's bullish, guys. I think everybody's bullish. See, Bitcoin is pumping a little bit towards the upside up here. 5-minute chart, hitting a resistance right now. Doing the move towards the upside. There is divergence up here, no divergence up here. Let's see daily time frame up here. Momentum still climbing towards the upside. Very nice. Momentum going up. Very nice. Slowly climbing momentum. Slowly, you know, still the volume is still, you know, going down. Very low volume. The breakout is imminent, guys. The breakout is imminent. The breakout is imminent. So we gotta find something where we want to enter the trade, guys. We want to find something we want to enter the trade. Maybe Shiba. Shiba is like, you know, very bullish. There you go. Shiba already breaking towards upside. We're not getting it down on the bottom here at 99 or anything like that. Big move towards downside yesterday. I think this was third night actually yesterday. Nice. A random long consolidation week to the downside will be so nice. Yeah. So there's a video. I'm gonna show you a video, guys. I just saw it today or yesterday. Where is it? It was yesterday. Interesting. I cannot find it. No, it wasn't that long ago. Yeah, this video over here. I'm gonna link in the chat as well. So this guy explains that he talks about something called institutional candles, and he talks about this because you know how many people putting down the stop losses, stuff like that, and then at the end of that you get this at the end of that you get this, you know, institutional candle that picks up these stop losses and then goes towards the upside. So he talks a little bit about, you know, how you can institutional candle down here and then how this returns back down to the previous level, like 50% of the candle, and then goes again towards the upside. Interesting video. I don't know if he has more videos like this up here, but definitely worth to watch, you know. Very interesting video. Kyle's always spot on with his microanalysis. Watching Kyle July 1 video on the crypto bench showing a shocking 13.8 Bitcoin price target in July. Fact or fiction? So I don't want to watch that, but can you give me a quick rundown? Why does he think 13.8 is gonna be the target? And because I don't think he's gonna be right on that analysis though. Shiba is breaking out, guys. Shiba is breaking out on 1 hourly, 4 hourly time frame up here, also above the moving averages up here. Very nice moves. I think I wanna do something like Shiba, something like that, like these bullish coins, right? Yeah, I need to learn how these institutions take out stop losses. Yeah, so I've been watching a lot, like I really want to know, like, because from what I get right now, they are doing the same thing as we are doing. Not only that, they're doing worse than we are doing, but what they have is they have an edge over retail, and that's that they know where the stop loss and the liquidation are. Especially these guys that are into the, you know, market makers guys, they know where the liquidations are. They can see that, right? Over here, a lot of people can see that, you know, we got a big support level, but we have this, you know, liquidation candle down here. We had this liquidation. There is a lot of people been, you know, these stop losses have been going up here right now. I think this is it, guys. I think this might overheat, but there is not a lot of volume up there. So the question is if that's it, you know, might be also all the way down there, but you know, this is a 4 hourly candle, so you know, a little bit unsure about that. You can see here right now we have you know, going up, and right now we going here consolidating up here between these moving averages. And if we start breaking up here to the right now, you know, this can actually, you know, continue pumping big time towards the upside. So, you know, that might be a very nice move. The Tron will drop. I don't think, I don't know about Tron. It's a little bit, you know, piece like Vulcan is now printed on the money supply chart, but not yet on Bitcoin price. My expectation is another leg down. We'll see. I would have to rewatch it to give a rundown. Can't do that right now because I'm watching your stream. Okay. But he thinks 13.8. But was he serious about 13.8, or was like, oh, this can happen, or was he more like, this is going to happen? Because there is difference in how confident people are when they are talking about certain stuff. I don't know what kind of move this is, man. You know, this goes down and then up, down and then I don't know what kind of move that is. I'm long. Abe Sheldon had it on his breakout list. Everything is on the breakout list. What you mean? Abe is on breakout. Everything is on the breakout list. Look at this. Look at these nice patterns up here, man. This is 4 hourly time frame, man. 4 hourly time frame. I think this is a fake out up there. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. I think we had already this, you know, this move down. I think we already had that. I think right now everything is getting ready to pump. AV looks good though, as well though. AV looks good as well though. Looks at the support down here. Very nice. Doing a nice move. Who else has potential? I don't care what. I don't want you know, stuff that already had nice moves. You see, already had nice move. Like if Rune was down here, I would consider it. But you know, it already had a nice, very nice move up here. Right now it's pulling down. You know, you don't want to buy this. You don't want to buy this. This is crap. You don't want to buy this. This is bad. Don't buy that, guys. Don't buy that. Not a financial advice, but you know, I don't like that. You know, when somebody already had a move, you know, it's kind of already game over. Let's check out some of these other coins. GMT also, I think, has nice lines. Yeah, mana, mana wasn't very nice. So let me show you mana up here. So mana up here broke the downtrend up here. Is still not broken, right? But this downtrend over here did break. This downtrend did break, retest, right now going higher. Not only that, the up here, this level got broken up here, right down, right up here again, and right now sitting above the moving average. So mana looks very good. But I would like it to come a little bit more down though. I like up here, like it's a little bit up, like I would like to come back down here to something like 80, 83, something like that. What's the point of looking at historical support and resistance zones for tokens, say XRP, when all token just follows what BTC does? It doesn't. It moves up and down, but it hits you know, its own supports and resistance. So maybe Bitcoin moves up 10%, and you know XRP moves up 2%, and Bitcoin goes down 2%, and XRP goes down 10% because there is a support resistance. So although it does the same, it moves up and down at the same time. It doesn't move up as much or as little towards the upside. Check SNX, bro. This coin looking pretty good. SNX. It's already going too much up. It's already going too much up. Hello, gold coin flying. Gold coin. I'm not checking gold coin, man. I think sand is also very bullish, but already went up on the 4 hourly up here. It went up a little bit too big. A little too much to me, a little bit too much. I think mana is gonna do well. I'm gonna put mana at top of the list. XRP right now pulling back. XRP had a nice breakout, already, but it's pulling back nicely. XRP had a nice move yesterday. Right now pulling back on the support up here. It's already breaking that falling wedge towards the upside. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, look at this. Very nice, very nice moves. This 15 chart, 5-minute chart. Would like to move back down there again. You should watch Carl's videos. They're usually on 10 minutes long weekdays. He's super bear, which makes him very accurate at the moment, unfortunately. I'll check him out. I'll check him out. I don't know who he is, but Carl, what is his name? Carl Dobbs. Not this guy. What was his name again? Carl Dobbs. Oh, he's gonna stream crypto shorts.
Pattern, right? Let's turn that off. So it's quick, and then if you do want to follow along, you'll have to do it by yourself. And I'm gonna putting it with 3x.
Is he trading as well?
Which is looking to enter something like this.
Yeah. I might check him out. I don't know who the guy is. Haven't seen him before. He's not bear. He's whatever his TA tells me. Is that a long position from yesterday or today? XRP at 0.3. This is a long position from yesterday. It's not a long position now. We are not in a long position right now. Let's see up here. Is everything load? 2,507. We can add this stuff up here. Trader in the making, not in a trade yet. There we go. What are we trading to? Anything that loses. I think it's gonna be mana or XRP or something like that. XRP. I think maybe we are falling in love with the coin, but it already had the move towards the upside. So right now XRP has the new resistance to break. but already jumped on those moving averages up here, so it's the question is whether he's gonna do that. Sen already went up a little bit too much. GMT is down at the bottom though. GM is down at the bottom. What is GMT? Don't tell me GMT is that that thing that I hate. Yeah, stepping. I'm not really interested in stepping. This already is breaking down. This looks bad though. GMT waves. Waves looks kind of sketchy, but only 2 touches up here, so it's not a line. Yeah, waves looks nice. There we go. Give or take, something like this maybe. Very nice. Unless I'm confusing 2 different people, CB ran and a couple of ran with a stipulation that he trades it and goes live whenever he trades. Oh, okay. AVX pumped 5% since yesterday. Yeah. AVX is already gone. It's not technically gone, like if you look at the 4-hour time, but it's already broken out big time as well. It's not this one up here. It's something like this, I would say, give or take. It kind of already goes like just like mana right now. It's already on the way towards upside. Ooh, Polkadot looks nice. The problem with Polkadot, there is a lot of stop losses down here. Are you gonna pick up the stop losses and then go up? That's the question. But it looks nice. So Ben couldn't live stream trades anymore, too many stops in one spot. Yeah, it's around 90.2 give or take, yeah. 160 on the dollar, but it's gonna be 4 hourly. Like creating the trickle down, so that looks like XRP from yesterday. Yeah, there is divergence up here on the chart. I think this is 2-day chart. Let's see 1 hour chart. Yeah, there is already divergence. It looks so good. It's very nice. Couple of these weeks on the downside. Broke up. It's creating higher highs already, right? High, high, high. Low, higher, low, higher, low. This looks very good. This looks dot looks very good. And the move towards upside to the resistance up here, you know, something like 7%. Mana. Whatever the resistance is, you know, 4%. 6% all the way up there. XRP could be like 4%. Polkadot Sand's already way up. Maybe it's just way too bullish as well. Uni is below the moving averages. Waves, I said waves also looks nice. 4%, depends on how much this actually pumps. Sub 4 all the time. Waves on the daily. Right now consolidating really nicely up here. Moon! 20 by tomorrow. That is very nice. Yeah, I think dot is very nice. I think it might be dot. It's so low. It's so, you know, it's. Let's look a little bit more up here. Yeah, that looks nice. Bro, this up solid up here. Ah, that looks nice. Moon. I like this. You know, I'm a little bit afraid because this can, you know, just, you know, for whatever reason, it's below the moving averages. So it is good, you know, in that sense. You want to be, you know, as low as it can on the support, right? Let's see, for all these support lines. That's low support. Still no volume kicking in yet. $665 mana, 83 XRP. It's on small time frames. XRP down at 3152 or something like that. Sand is already. We won't do sand today. GMT, a little bit unsure about GMT. Although it looks nice. It's just been bleeding too hard. Sand. Waves. There's this nice trend line up here. Very nice trend line. Very close to the trend line. Sitting on the bottom right now. If you look at it like this up here, there's a very nice trend line. We are sitting on the bottom of that like this. It looks like some kind of triple bottom down here, right? 1, 2, 3. Give or take, it's a little higher, you know, but maybe we can look at it, you know, big time frames. 1, 2, 3. Do you see any kind of pattern up here? I don't see any kind of pattern. What kind of pattern is this? Some kind of weird ass pattern. Here to break out. Today is Independence Day. Expect less volume. Like the stream, guys. Yeah, like the stream, guys. Like the stream. Yeah, this consolidation phase up here is getting smaller. Either we break the right now, you know, down here and then break the support on downside, or we break towards the upside. Might be hopium talking, guys. Might be hopium talking. But mana looks more bullish, although it is below the moving averages. It had this, you know, nice move towards the upside. Mana or Polkadot. Mana or Polkadot. I like actually mana because number one, it's bullish. Anything Web3 is bullish in my eyes. This 2-day chart, 1-day chart. Here was a trend, but that got broken. How much room down do we have? That's 20, 40, that's 8% down. It dumps it dead. Today. Life, man. Life of a trader, man. Life. How do you guys do this, man? How do you guys do this? See, we are at resistance right now. Resistance right now. Polkadot can definitely do a move towards downside. You know, liquidity area. It looks dope. Wow, this is 2 days, 27 down, daily 31. Been, you know, sitting down here forever. 40 is the most. Let's do Shiba. Yeah, there was that Shiba. Let's do Shiba. I don't know. Shiba also looks very nice. It's a nice pump up here. Right now, consolidating up here. It does look bullish, and this is a pumper. You know, I like pumpers. There are some coins that just pump. You know, just go crazy. Other coins like go up, but you know. See down here. Okay. We are. If you buy Shiba, for example, right? We cannot buy down here. I mean, technically we can buy down here, but you know, or, you know, price, you know, it's weakening down, and we already weak down to this level down here again. So right now it's going up here. Right now, bullish engulfing candle 4 hourly, staying above this, right below the resistance. It's just trying to break out, but you know, will we have the breakout, or is this a fake out? Is this getting everybody, you know, to FOMO in and then right back down? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Is this some kind of game play? You know, game the, you know, whales are playing on us? Is this something like that? This could also be some kind of a bear flag up here, right? Then down and then up, right? Better be careful. The trick is knowing in advance when the heat is gonna erupt out of nowhere and be sitting there ready and waiting for it, and either positioned already or already go. Yeah, exactly. So we don't want to trade volatility. We want to get in before the volatility hits in, and when volatility hits in, we want to sit there and just look, you know, on being on the right side, right? You know, so I think that's, you know, I don't want to trade something that's already going or something like that, you know. So be there before the volatility. So right now it's the best time, because right now we can, you know, we can take as many 5 minutes break as we want, and you know, we can watch the charts, we can figure the thing out, we can look a little bit more, you know, deeper inside that, you know, we can, you know, we can anticipate what we think is gonna happen, and then we can position ourselves for that move, right? If we wait until actually, you know, we see the breakout and the move and stuff like that, it's kind of a little too late, because, you know, it might, you know, pull back, and then you're scared, and then you're underwater like 30-40%, and then you have to wait, and then it eventually comes up, and what if it was some kind of fake out and stuff like that, right? It is huge, but there are good coins that will do a lot better in XYs than it. Trading today, boss. I'm flying out to Dubai. You going to Dubai? Are you trying to hide your, not pay your taxes, man? I try not to pay taxes. I'm close to absolute beginner at TA and only have just started trading, but for the several days, I've anticipated BTC breakout several times and right every time. Good, man, good. Anticipation and waiting and figuring out what the price is doing is very, very important. That's what it's all about, man. For our candle has 3 hours left to go, so I'm guessing we got like a good 2 hours left to figure stuff out. We'll see. Gala mutable, X-Friend the super farm, just keep buying. That's how the rich keep their money. Sometimes opening is gonna be easier because you can follow this news. Same can be said with crypto, but I don't follow the news at anything. I don't think you should be following the news when it comes to charts. Just because as soon as the news come out, it's already priced in, like a long time ago. Even though if you're buying news and news is very sudden out of nowhere, somebody already knows, somebody already priced it in. XRP baby, yeah. Right now it's pulling down, so we're gonna see how this actually plays out. But on a small time frames, it does look like it broke the trend up here a little bit. Let's see if we are mistaken about the trend. Might be some kind of, but it's still bullish. Short or low? No, we are looking for low position right now. Follows these patterns in June 7th. He's got another 14 hours before she blows. Penny stock of Morocco opens with current news of these. So, I don't know how the penny stocks are working out, so I won't say anything about that. We could use a pullback on mana. We could use a pullback on mana. We could use a little bit more pullback on Bitcoin as well. No. Sorry for yawning, guys. Did not sleep well, but I still want to trade. Rule number 1: sleep well. What's Heathrow situation? Oh, you mean the flight, problems. So let me eat long. They better not send it down. Been a boring ask 2 days. There is a coin that I want to check out. Let's go to Dogecoin right now. Just see how this actually played out. So pump, exhaustion, move down, consolidation pump, bigger move down, consolidation pump, broke. Let's see up here a little bit. Good for all 1 hour at a time. Broke, exhaustion, down, broke, consolidation, pump. Maybe. Sand is climbing nicely. We are not getting into the bottom though. AV is at the bottom though. AV is at the bottom. Are we missing something when it comes to AV? Are we missing something? Let's go to 8 hours, something like that, so we can see it more clearly. Bearish engulfing, bullish, but lower low in consolidation. 2 hours left up here, 1 hour on this one. It's not falling down. You guys think Zilka? Throne up here, let's go daily throne. Nah, I don't want to do throne. This climbs nicely towards upside. Fell down. Zilka. Zilka is down too much. Zilka is down way too much. I think there's something wrong with Zilka. I mean, it's going below these, you know, March 22 levels. You know, that's normal, but you know, still. It might have broken the trend up here, right? And right now it's just, you know, coming down to this bottom down here before it pumps. And every time this thing pumps, you know, it pumps like big time. So there's that. Be something like this, I think. Let's put it up here just because reasons. And then there was this uptrend up here that got broken. There was that uptrend got broken. I think the uptrend was actually something like this up here, give or take. And then over here, does not look that bullish. Doesn't look that bullish. Nah, I'm not touching zero right now. If I think something is gonna go up, I don't want to buy coins that don't look bullish. You need to watch Crypto Life and learn a few things, sir. I watch Crypto Lifer, but you know, I'm not really a fan. I was a couple of seconds away from getting liquidated. Ouch. Rule number 3, don't trade Dogecoin. No, rule number 3 is not don't short Dogecoin. That's the difference, you know. You can always long Dogecoin if you want, you know, but don't short Dogecoin, because Elon Musk can come out and say something and you know it's gonna pump, you know, 20% up in a second. Too deep breath to get out. Pow, which coin are you down with? YOLO. There is no coin called YOLO. What coin did you long or short? Eat on the sport. Yeah, I mean Ethereum and Bitcoin does look nice. There is also a slight divergence up here. See the divergence? See the divergence up here? So this is going towards downside, this is going towards upside. It's a slight divergence, but you know, noticeable divergence. This on the daily time frame. On the 4 hour, it does look like it might, you know, pop as well. Yeah, it does look like it's on the support down here. Do you follow people like Kobe? No, don't know. The chart telling me to short. You short, I'll long, man, okay? It's just in real life, it's on Friday. The stream complemented each other quite well. Nice. Especially after he disappeared now a few days, he's really not predictable with his intentions. Oh man, I slept like 4 hours and I had to wake up like 6 a.m. with the kids, so maybe I should get us. When we start getting into trade, I'm gonna take 20 minutes power nap during the stream, so there's that. Hopefully that's gonna help me wake up a little bit. Yo Deep, how you doing, man? Don't trade when you're sleepy. Yeah, I know. Guys, always, as much as you can, try to get your mental state in order, right? Always get good night's sleep, because that's, utmost importance. ISO, will we trade today? Nah, we will trade. We're just looking whether we're gonna get the move towards. I started a little bit stream a little bit prematurely, so we can, my mental state is both right now. You need, guys, if you want to be any kind of trader, you need sleep, guys. It's very, very important. You cannot, like, imagine if you want to be pro chess player and you go up there. Imagine if you want to, go take, exam and you come, half asleep to the exam, like, you need to be well rested. Anything in life that you want to do that requires, brain power, you need sleep. If you want to do something that requires you to run and do some kind of physical power, you need to eat well, right? You can be like totally soggy in the brain and foggy in the brain if you're just gonna play football or something like that, right? Because you're running, you're not thinking that much, but it's all, it's always good to drink and trade. No, not that as well. You need to be clear in the head. What does the 400 to a million? It's a challenge. We took 400 bucks and we're trying to pay, get it to a million. What's not yet? VRA USD doesn't even make sense. It fell below support on daily and it's not falling that quick. This looks bad though. Oh. Yeah, this looks very bad. It's not just falling, it's kind of just, bleeding. It's just kind of bleeding down here. It doesn't have these, nice moves towards upside or something like that, right? It's kind of just kind of bleeds. I don't know what veracity is though. How much is down from the all-time high? 95%. Yeah, it's quite bad. In some things that require a lot of brain power, I've often done my best work while extremely sleep deprived. Maybe, but I don't think you can learn new things when sleep deprived. Like, you can probably use what you already know, but sleep deprivation is not the way to go. You need sleep. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you did some of the best work you did. Do you know why you did some of the best work while you're asleep? Because your creative brain turns on. When you're sleepy, your logical part of the brain kind of goes into slow mode, but your creative brain like starts to. That's why always these creative people at night, they are very, very creative, and everybody's, oh, I'm the most creative at night. Oh, I do the best work at night. Why? Because they're using what they already know while they, the brain is shutting a little bit down, and they don't think, no longer think in patterns. They think more like in some kind of creative mode. So you'll see a lot of people, being very, very creative during the night, right? But getting sleep is, very important, hugely important. Just me, broker. We're not touching it. You look so sleepy. I am sleepy, man. I'm sleepy. No pullback for us. No pullback for us, guys. No pullback for us on this. Bitcoin. Bitcoin just closed hourly above up there. Move a little bit down. No pullbacks. Climbing. I mean, Polkadot looks nice. How much down do we have up here? How much down do we have up here? 10%. We can risk 10%. 20%. 25, 30%. I'm gonna risk 30%. I don't know about that. I'm gonna risk 30% on this trade. Let's go to 5-minute chart and see what's telling us right up here. resistance, that's what it's telling me right now. Tell, why do you not use the hypertrend indicator for trading competition? Tila, AMX looks like it wants to break up. No, I don't know, man. AMX daily. Let's put in 100% in case it goes down. I have to put in 100%. I don't see it. This option looks like it's broke though. Maybe. No. Down enough. How big move is this up here? 2% move on expanding wedge towards downside. 1, 2, 3 towards upside. Opium, big time. Then hit 31.5 actually. At 31.58, not get down that much. It'd be so nice it did, but it did already up here, so right now it's not doing that anymore. It's already was down there. This 1 hourly time frame, what is this? I'm scared to trade. What are you scared of? Are you scared of trading, or are you scared of exchanges? But either way, you should probably learn tech. I'm scared of exchanges. Okay. Don't put a lot of money, like you know, put like, the way I see it, people should only trade like only like 5% of their, you know, entire money. So, you know, take 5%, whatever you want to use, whichever exchange. Binance, Bybit, Qcoin, Gate.io maybe. I don't know about Gate. Some of these big exchanges, like Binance is definitely, you know, Binance is more or less shorting. Like they got futures, they got spot, they got leverage, they got everything, you know. So Binance is good to go. You can also use the link on Binance or Qcoin to get 20% less fees. Gotta shield those fees. Links. Nice longer turn 0. Pray for me all. Nothing is safe for crypto. Yeah, life is risk, guys. You know, girls care about safety. We care, we see, you know, risk. We think like there is no gain without risk, guys. You wanna be a guy, you wanna be a man, you gotta risk it. Omniflow, you will lose maybe, you will win maybe, but if you don't do it, you're not the guy. Omniflow, you're not the guy. Peer pressure, guys. Trading peer pressure. Nah, just kidding. Do the technical analysis first, guys. Omniflow, is there a pattern in time of day for July dumps? I don't know what Omniflow is. Going up. Okay, let's take 5-minute break again, guys. Link is nice lines. You can check that out. Bitcoin pumping. No, it's not. It tried, but it didn't. A 1 hourly closing in 35 minutes, 30 minutes chart closing in 5 minutes. Just hit the resistance and rebound. To trade volatility, we want to get in before the volatility. Yeah, it looks nice. That's 1, 2, 3 hits. 1, 2, 3 hits. Yeah, it does look very nice. It's on USDT. It's on the daily as well. It's more like this up here though. Good morning, Mladen. How you doing, man? Hope you slept well. Mladen is in the chat. He's gonna give us nice channels, and then we're gonna take a bet on his channels. And when we fail, if we fail, we have somebody to blame. Hello, sir. Any entry? No entry. Mladen, we need some of the financial advice. Yeah, we need financial advice, Mladen. Give us financial advice. Mladen is gonna do it for us, guys. All in on Mladen. Have you found any Korean YouTube? No, unfortunately not. There is this one guy that made a lot of money and everybody's talking about him. But I haven't seen anything special though. $30-minute candle. hitting the 200 moving average, hitting this resistance. A little bit unsure whether this is gonna break right now. Donk one. Eat bear flag 30 minutes. Nice, not a bear flag. Post triangle that we resist in the group. Yeah, 1 hourly. Bloody charts. By the way, why do you have these lines on the screen, man? Why do you need more lines on the screen? See these lines, these horizontal and vertical lines. Yeah, it looks like a retest, nice retest. And also this trend up here also broke. So right now there is a line up here, support line. Needs to be tested 1 hourly. So there was this trend up here that got broken. This is mana. I would like mana to pull back. You know, I'm not you know, so sure. See, pulling back right now. 28 minutes. 30-minute chart closed up there. Nice. I like this line though, but he likes. Trend is broken over there. That's the trend. How do you like my channel? How do you like them apples? High club, high captain, I don't. This pump is actually very crucial for longs. Check out NG coin. Can you share chart settings? I don't know how you share chart settings. Settings. Symbol. Status line. Scales. Appearance. Trading. Events. I don't know how you trade that. Chicken. Raymond on YouTube just made some amazing videos calling out scammers, crypto banter cast after his. This you have to go check it out. He shows everything. Ryan Mata calling out scammers. No, but he liked to expose everybody though. Wasn't this guy that, you know? No, it's I don't know.
Let's talk about how influence.
And the reason why we don't is because we know that there's a handful of people that get a fix or get their fix out of making.
The ones that we helped rug pull. It's like, this is what Donkey Finance looks like. This is what Tornado Cash looks like. This is what Luna looks like. And guess what projects Rand is telling you to DCA into heavy? Solana, Avalanche, and guess what? They're gonna look just like this. This is what these investors
So busy.
buddy or
They are shilling their own bags. They don't know that it's gonna drop down big time. Let me see if you wanna check it out. His stake. Cal Dupes. Yeah, we're gonna check out Cal Dupes. We got time. Like the stream, guys. Let's go over 100 likes. Ren seems pretty sleazy, but Sheldon seems legit. Get cast a video. Nah, it's okay. Mana's still pumping, man. Polkadot still going up. There is no pullbacks, guys. There is no pullback. We missed the pullbacks. Dot is gone. Not yet, not yet. Patience, guys, patience. Doesn't matter. Don't fund long refinement. Pull back now. It might just consolidate here because it's getting pushed by these moving averages up here. So it might, you know, do some nice, you know, 30-minute consolidation up here. They go up. So there's a high. Do we have any kind of divergence? No divergence on the charts. And there will be huge divergence up here unless this, you know, pumps big time towards the upside up here. There will be divergence on the chart, so it might pump a little bit up here. Go down. Oh man, this can actually take time up here, you know. It's the exact same date, and you see the big dump after Crypto Banter video when his community is buying. But you might say that, you know, that's Crypto Banter selling, but you don't know who is selling, right? So when these big YouTubers, you know, shield some coin that, you know, some banks they're holding, when they do that, other people that hold these coins are thinking, oh my, this is pump, and of course what they're gonna do, they're gonna start selling, right? So you blame Crypto Banter, but it's actually these other guys that are actually holding these coins that are right now thinking, guys, liquidity, let's exit, you know. So, and the same goes for, you know, Carl and the Moon, right? The Casta, you know, everybody got free coins, and, you know, when people start shilling that liquidity, people buy means, no bro, you're wrong, they are scammers. No, they're not scammers. You know, it's not for YouTuber, it's not profitable to be a scammer, because they make huge money off of their you know, YouTube advertising. They make huge money on the sponsorships. They make huge money on just, you know, buying coins and hodling coins. They make huge money, so it's not good for their reputation to be actually a scammer, you know, because they have something good going on. The same goes for BitBoy. He has something that, you know, it's not good for him to be a scammer, you know, right out scammer. It's just not good for them. Their vaults are public. See the accumulation before release a video, sell at the top, then it goes down 90%. Hi, new to channel, are you competing in the VSOT? If so, how are you doing? Nah, I got liquidated in VSOT, but you know, our team is still there. How is our team doing right now? Right now our team is at 16.36%, 188 overall. Let's see how the people are. Tyler is up 137, Alif who is up 21%, Mir 12%. So, you know, we are a little bit up, you know, but there is a lot of liquidation going on though. A lot of people are 99% down. I'm a little bit up. She Nolan is minus 34%. We know the guy. The late adopter over here, it says minus 20%, but it's actually minus 99% because we had 500 bucks that we used to trade on VSOT, but we got liquidated, so we are out of that, so we moved some other money into it, so we are no longer following the competition, you know, but you know, our account is still, you know, in up there. This 30 minutes wants to go. The 30 minutes is crazy. Now we're gonna wait for pullback. It's gonna take time, guys. It's gonna take time. Challange just did Bullish analysis in a .4 hour. I mean, you know, if you look at the Bullish bands, stuff like that, right? Everything, like, look at this down here. I mean, it's gonna explode. It's gonna explode. There is no other way to say it, you know, besides, you know, it's gonna explode. Sorry, this is XRP, but Where is dot? See here, very, very low levels. I mean, we already know that. We already know something is gonna, it's either gonna go down or up, and I think it's gonna go towards the upside, right? It's already very, very low. So, you know, we don't need Bollinger Bands for that, but it's nice to look at it sometimes, right? But we already know it's very, very low. Right now it's climbing as well. Curled in a trader or BTC USD. David says the group of YouTubers in Dubai make 300 million a day from their Bybit referrals. Yeah, so the moon, yeah, I think he, you know, he became very, very rich with Bybit shilling. Right now, you know, Coinski is shilling Bybit, MM Crypto is still shilling Bybit, Ivan on Tech is shilling Bybit, everybody shilling Bybit. Why? Because Bybit is a trading platform, and when you go trading, you trade a lot. When you trade a lot, you use a lot of, you know, you pay a lot of fees. And a lot of these fees goes into their pockets, right? When I shill something like Ucoin, people buy spot, they buy once and then I hodl it for a long time, right? They're not trading that much. Do you go to the gym? No, I don't go to the gym. I should though, but I don't. Okay, let's check out Kyle. This is Dupes. Kyle, what is his name? Dupes.
Sort of probe Jerome Powell with questions and try to find out what's and there will be volatility this week. We have a lot of macro events that are coming up, and when volatility is going to start entering into the market, and it pretty much just works off of the Bollinger Band. So when Bollinger Bands start to squeeze and tighten in, that's usually an indication that volatility is about to enter into the market. And you kind of want to look when you have these low reads like this near the 0% found over the ranges, and when you should just completely be sitting out of the market and sitting on your hands. I personally have been sitting out the market. I tried to attempt to take one trade, and that choppiness took me out. So since I've just kind of been sitting on my hands, but pressure remains to the downside with price stuck below the 21, the 50, and the 200 EMA. All of those are postured in a bearish posture, meaning they're all down below one another, and we still have the main overhead resistance coming in at about 10,700. So I know a lot of you are feeling like this pretty much, which I put on Twitter over there. But I think that coming up soon on Wednesday and Thursday, this will most likely be the percent or so. So for those of you who are trading on a short-term time frame, kind of manage your risk. I mean, it would be very simple range trading where you kind of just selling the top over there, short selling into the bottom, buy, sell, until we break this range. So you can probably squeeze another 24 to 48 hours out of this range.
Rostein Army, how can you listen to this scammer? Listen guys, I don't care if people are scammers, you know, I care about learning stuff, okay? So even though if you call him a scammer, Rand scammer, Carl is a scammer, Bitboy is a scammer, everybody is a scammer, Richard Hart is a scammer, I don't care. I really don't care if they are scammers or not. What I'm trying to figure out is what I can learn from them. You know, if they're shilling my coin, I'm not gonna buy the coin, you know, and then blame them for whatever reason, saying they are a scam. Like I got a brain, you know, I can use it, right? But I wanna see what he's doing on the charts, you know. And people usually who are like people who usually are like, this guy's a scammer, that guy is a scammer. How can you learn and like listen to these scammers? Like if you think he's a scammer or any other guy is a scammer, like listen to them. Listen to what I have to say. Like sure you can. Do you know who I think is a scammer? Bitcoin fund manager. I think this guy is a scammer. I don't know if you know, say urgent pump incoming, he's shilling this thing called TrueBit, and I got, you know, I bought it because he's shilling it so much, right? I think this guy's a straight out scammer. He has, you know, some scammy stuff that he's done before, but I still watch him, I still listen to him, I still hear what he has to say, and then I make my own mind about what he's saying, you know, whether that's true or not, right? whether I can take something from that. But you know, if you saw the video instead of skipping, it would have understood to their walls. Sure, man. Okay, let's say they are scammers. Who cares? They are shilling, like, you know, right now that, you know, that YouTubers are shilling the projects that they own the big bags of. Of course they're gonna sell. I watched the Richard Hart video, right? Interview with some guy. I don't remember who it was. And maybe it was with Peter Schiff. And he asked Richard Hart, did you sell any hacks, right? And Richard Hart went around, nah, but you know, I hold. He went around the question, right? But the matter of fact is, of course, he sold hacks, man. It was a top, right? Of course, he's not shilling it just to hodl it forever. He wants to get rich as well. Every kind of scammer wants to get it. So if they got some kind of, you know, bags of something and they're shilling something, of course they want to sell. Maybe it's a scammy thing to do, but you know, maybe they want to do that, right? But they still do it. But if you don't know what they are doing, then you are the one that's being scammy. You need to learn to understand how this actually works and figure out, hey, maybe I should not be buying the coin that, you know, YouTube influencers are actually shilling. Maybe I should do my own research and, you know, figure out what's good and not. And then, you know, when some kind of influencer is shilling these coins, I might be, you know, be able to sell those coins, right? I'm just saying, like, just because people are scammers, I'm not gonna stop watching them. Where is it? It's already finished. Wow, this was like
The fees are proudly bought.
it's all BTC pumping. Yeah, it's hitting resistance right now. Needs to come down, it's no problem. Dot pumping, yeah, everything right now, but it's gonna pull down. Right now it's hitting the resistance, it's fine, it's gonna pull down, it's gonna everything, you know, no problem whatsoever. Didn't buy the bottom. People never take profits to go in a bear market. YouTubers are scammers. What do you think, Dusk? Zero knowledge. I have no clue of your Dusk. Good race software. Yeah, explode a little bit, you know, up there. A lot of people, you know, there is some kind of volume up here kicking in. That's nice. 1 hour time frame, 13 minutes left. No, it's not going to pull down. Mladen, you're supposed to give me, give me confidence, man. You're supposed to give me confidence. No, it's not going to pull down. What kind of Then I took profits before I started to work today on AVEX, but I still feel like I was the right thing to do. Profits are profits. Somebody says, you know, all profits are a good thing. Okay, still thanks for the stream. Ah, you're welcome, man. ZK will be big, I think. What is ZK? Sends the guys from Crypto Panthers, pretty cool, man. Respect for speaking your mind. GG. Did I just miss the most obvious trend line up here? ZK roll up. What's ZK? Period ZK. Wow, this is so early. Chinese stuff. Where is the original public chain? It's a chain. It's a sacrifice the ultra performance and low gas fees instead. No. I don't know. Maybe. Zero knowledge. ETH layer 2. ZK is layer 2 for ETH. Okay. Keep pumping your Bitcoin. Not technically, I mean, we did go up a little bit. Yeah, I'll give you that. But, you know, calling the pumping, I don't know. Everything did a nice move towards the upside. Yeah, sure. AV kind of broke up. It's kind of waited a little bit too long there. Kind of waited a little bit too long. Not a coin, bro. A technology is new thing from crypto. Zero knowledge. ZK rollups. Speed to be faster. Okay, let me check up. What's zero knowledge crypto? What's that? Binance Academy. A zero knowledge proof, sometimes also referred as ZK protocol, is a verification method that takes a place between a prover and a verifier. In a zero knowledge proof system, the prover is able to prove to the verifier that they have the knowledge of a particular piece of information, such as a solution to mathematical equation, without revealing the information itself. These proof systems can be used by modern cryptographers to provide increased levels of privacy and security. Concept zero knowledge proof was first described in 1985 MIT paper published by Choppy, Goldwasser and Silvio Micali. They demonstrated that it was possible to prove some properties of a number without disclosing the number or any additional information about it. This paper also introduced mathematical significance, finding that interactions between a prover and a verifier could reduce the amount of information required to prove a given theorem. Okay, so it's a mathematical model to prove something without something, and why that's big I do not know. And right now there comes some kind of blockchain layer 2 for ETH where they don't have to know stuff. I'm guessing it goes something like that, right? $67 million USD. Not a coin, bro. Technology is new thing. I think some examples are Dash and Dusk. So there is more than ZK protocols. List. Zcash, Celo, Mina, R, Tilos, Fyro. Fyro is up there. Cellbox, Prod, Valkyrie. Privacy allows users to gain access to platform or account without sharing their passcode or private information. They can close questions like gaining popularity more and more. So right now Zcash is, you know, Celo, Mina, R, Pirate Chain. I would invest Pirate Chain, man. Pirate Chain. Bitcoin not stopping, man. Mladen, what? Why did you say that, man? 4 hours. 4 hours is still at like 2 more hours to go, so it's not gonna pump to, you know, a million. EMX is ZK, that project. I don't know about EMX. Everybody is shilling EMX here. Guys, what you think about EMX? Now watch the chat. Now watch the chat. Everybody, oh, EMX is good. Ah, immutable X. Dobro jutro. 5 meters are overextended. It will pull back. Yeah, of course, it pull back. Like people tell me there will be no pullbacks. There will be pullbacks, guys. There will be pullbacks. I love it. See, love EMX. See. Pants. There will be pullbacks, guys. There will be pullbacks. What you mean? What you mean no pullbacks? No more dips. Dips are now illegal. Have a couple of EMX and NFTs. Bitcoin moving. When it pumps, it bumps. Yeah, it's 0.44, 0.45. Let's see if I'm up here. It's hitting the resistance. He did, you know, move on the moving averages, stuff like that. 10 minutes, 50 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna pull back. Definitely it's gonna pull back. It's gonna pull back. It's gonna pull back. It's okay. It's gonna pull back. Where was that ascending channel drawn come from your BTC/USD chart? It's these stops up here, wick down there, wick up here. So it does look nice. Does look nice. Does look nice. Nice channel. Drew down here. Looks like there is some kind of middle support up here as well. It looks nice. I don't know. 4th of July pump. You look well rested, my friend. I am actually not. I'm sleepy as F. I slept 4 hours. Unfortunately, that VET is ready for long after the potential retest of flows. VeChain, we gotta do that. We got, guys, we buy VeChain. We don't care. We just go. We just buy VeChain right now. VeChain, VET. Where is that? VeChain. There is a VET USDT. This is the one. We got the long. Let's see up here. 10x, 10x, cross, isolated, confirm. Okay, open long, market 100%. Open long. Nah, just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Go short. Yeah, we should short now against the trend. We should do salmon strategy opposite way. It would be fun if we just did that, like just open the VeChain 100x long instantly. Gave me a mini heart. Okay, let's look at a VeChain chart by the way. Yeah, it looks nice. It didn't pump though. Yeah, it did pump. 4 hourly. This looks a lot nicer up here. Still breaking up though. Yeah, everything is pumping a little bit. Everything is pumping a little bit. I don't see Sheldon tweet, but it's doing nothing. Yeah, it is pumping a little bit. Everything is pumping a little bit. Nothing is pumping much, but everything is pumping a little bit. It's a free short. It might be. Ooh, yeah. Beach. Never mind. Drawing trend line is waste. You can draw whatever we want. I don't get what you mean drawing trend lines is waste. Small pump. I done 100x on beats on my very first day of trading, not knowing what I was doing. Got 200 bucks to 2003 within 10 minutes and then lost all within 26. Oh, that's funny. I actually never did 100x. I did like 20 plus x, maybe even 50x. Never did 100x. I think I need to do 10 bucks, 10 bucks with 100x and just let it go like 50 times in a row. Monday is normally a fake out. I don't believe in days, guys. People are on Monday this happens, on Wednesday that happens, on weekend that happens, on February we do this, on June we do that, on September we do that, on November is this kind of month. 2022 we should be going down. 20 usually these round numbers like 30,000 is like good years. I don't believe in that kind of stuff. Yeah, trend lines are scam. Who needs trend lines when you can look at, I don't know, something else. There we go, pullback, guys. You told me there will be no pullback. There is pullback. Why you saying there will be no pullback? What you talk about? What about moon chart? Moon chart is legit, man. It's better than trend lines, that's for sure. Weekends do tend to be less volatile. People telling me there will be no pullback. Ha! What you mean there will be no pullback? There will be pullbacks. We're gonna get our pullbacks, guys. What about sun chart? We got a sun chart as well, man. Or planet chart, however you wanna call it. You think we only do moons? No. This is the big stuff, man. This is the big stuff. 22nd November, guys. 22nd November 2022. This is gonna happen, guys. This is gonna happen. Mars, Earth, Sun, Mercury, Venus. This is gonna happen 22nd November 21. Remember the date. Remember the date. You think we don't do planets and the sun, man? It goes back to 80. Seasonally is a thing in many industries. Yeah, it might be a thing. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin has also season, but you know, saying that on Monday it's gonna pump, you know, there is a free moon chart strategy, not profitable on Bitcoin. What do you mean not profitable? I think the moon chart up here, somebody did the work and figured out that, you know, if you just traded the moons, you'd be like 80%. You know, it has 80%, you know, success rate or something like that. You start comedy, you start stand-up comedy. Everything will align. Yeah, everything will align. If there is a you know, moon on the, let's check it out. Is there some kind of super moon on the 22nd or something like that? 2022. And in November, what's happening in November up here? Full moon, 18th, 23rd. New moon. We got a new moon. We're gonna dump, guys. It's gonna be a dump day. 22nd November 2022. Well, 23rd is November. It's gonna be a dump date, guys. It's gonna be a dump date. New moon alert. Oh my god. Not a good stuff. Not good stuff. No. Gonna be a heck of a tamburino. Yeah. Why it's still pumping? There is no week on the downside. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down. Come on. Pull the F back, man. What is happening with Polkadot, man? Come on, man. We waited so long. Bitpossess's bottom is November 23rd. Oh man, what do you make of 12% pump followed by 9% up on the other day on the BTC/USD? Do you have TIA reasoning? Nah, there is no. I don't know, man. Thing goes up, thing go down. Maybe it was some kind of fake out. This was, you know, 5%, you know, pump. It was, you know, 4% dump. When you're creating video for 2017, what mistakes new people should not do in bear market? Not buy. I made a big mistake by not buying in altcoins. Down here in bear market, I made a big mistake not buying down here. So I think that was my biggest mistake. I was waiting. I was being fearful. You know, a lot of people are buying. You know, on YouTube are saying, you know, buy YouTube later. But you know, I was like, I was listening to the FUD. Oh, it's gonna go down to 12,000. It's gonna go down to 15. It's gonna go down to 10. Oh, it's gonna go down lower, and then went up. You know, so I think mistake a lot of people are doing. New people are doing right now is they're not buying. Not a financial advice, of course. You do what you wanna do. It might go down to 10. I don't know, but you know. Can sure trade, sure, so far. You can watch the trades. This isn't correct, this is 1870. There's one more up here, but you know, whatever. The typically buy at market or set limit or something. Yeah, we just market buy right now. There's crypto which somewhere on YouTube using the planets to predict. She's actually pretty hot. Oh yeah, you think about Maren, yeah. She do astrology, yeah. Nice piano. So far it's okay. But you know, it can get better. I don't like the big channel. You don't like the big channel. It's pumping, man. It's pumping. Why it's pumping? I thought we're gonna have a pullback. Somebody jinxed it, guys. Somebody jinxed it. I don't know who jinxed it, but you know, somebody jinxed it and it, you know. How can we not have a pullback? This is pulling back. This is not pulling back. XRP is, you know, there. Mana, GMT. Now there will be pullback, guys. There will be pullback. I don't know when, but you know, there will be pullback. Let's see for all the time frame. I think it's gonna go out to 1970 right now. Did we miss the trade because we had retest? Yeah, we had this retest up here, so it's pumping. Yeah, but it can go, you know, another, you know. Here's the problem with this move up here. It needs to close above this level up here, right? It needs to close above that level to avoid the divergence, right? It needs to go up here and then close if it wants to pump. Because it closes up here, there will be divergence, there will be pullback towards downside. You know, this will take time and then will pump, right? Now retail just FOMOing. Yeah, I think also retail is FOMOing. Can you share Bybit P&L sample sheet? Why are people asking me to share the sheet, man? It's like, just create your own sheet, man. This is like, you know, just date, you know, just write date, you put the date, trade, you know, enter date 04/07/2022, you know, 18 trade, XRP, long, you know, start balance, you know, and end balance, and these two are just, you know, calculations of these two levels. And then you know, they just hope you for your long entry. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna bet on that retail is FOMOing in right now, and that it's gonna pull back, get everybody out, and then we're gonna get in, right? This is just retail FOMO. This over here wasn't retail FOMO because they weren't aware, but right now they think it's gonna go up, so they FOMO in up here and then we pull back, right? Use Microsoft Excel to make your sheet. Lower high, dump priest. Okay, 5-minute break, guys. Guys, what is the number one thing they're telling traders all the time, retail traders? What is the number one thing they're always telling traders? Number one thing, you know, all of these, you know, big shot guys, what is the number one thing they're always telling everybody? Patience, not that. I mean that too, don't FOMO, not that. Don't chase pumps, buy high, sell low, don't FOMO, no. No emotion, pay yourself, no, no, no. One thing that's related to the chart right now, what is the one thing they're telling traders? Take profit, exactly, take early profits, right? So people bought down here right now, it's up like 1.6%, they're taking profits already. That's 16%, they're taking profits, guys, they're taking profit. And what's gonna happen? We're gonna consolidate and we're gonna go down. So right now they're already taking profits. It pumped big time up here, right? You know, 1.56% in your in an hour to 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. In 1 hour it pumped up, right? They're taking profits. They're taking profits. So that's the first thing, right? So we're gonna right here consolidate over here, and then we're gonna buy on the pullback, and then we're gonna go up. And what are we telling ourselves? Wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. So I was thinking just a little bit, like, was there any chance to actually buy in over here? And we started the stream 2 hours ago. So we started the stream around 2 hours ago, around here. So there was actually nowhere actually to take you know, to enter the trade. I mean, we could have entered above the 10 moving average and stuff like that, right? But exactly over here we could have entered the trade, but you know, we are waiting for a pullback again down here again. That never happened, right? We are waiting for a pullback. So there was not actually a lot of places where we could have taken the trade. Down here as well, there was a slight pullback up here on dot that we could have taken the trade, but we are waiting. Maybe we were being too greedy. We also didn't see this bullish engulfing candle up here. You know, when it started pumping, we didn't FOMO in, and then it's just started going up. So maybe we are still waiting for the pullback, right? But there are not that many good entries up here, right? And on 1 hourly up here, this was already, you know, all the way up here when we start looking at the chart. So you know, there was not that many good entry points for us when you consider it, right? The naked people are back. The naked people are back. They say hodl. I just took 20% profit on BTC hodl. Yeah. Show me live in about 25 minutes. Nice, nice, nice. Yep, the moment it hit resistance, I sold my BTC 3S. Then a weird thing happened. Qcon logged me out in the middle of using it. This is never before. Weird. Maybe just coincidence though. Yeah, maybe just coincidence. Keep reporting naked people posts. It doesn't help, man. There are some. It just bots, guys. It just bots. One hourly close below support. 4 hourly still up there. Sells stops it. So I think you know, the one thing they're telling everybody is like, take early profits, you know, take early profits, take early profits. So that's why you're gonna have consolidation and, you know, buying. New week candle, yeah, new week candle is a little bit green up here, but still, you know, nothing special, right? Nothing special. Monthly candle is still, it will be going down, creating this week on the downside. Let's wipe up the 100x shorts. Maybe that's happening. I try to see if we can get this line a little bit better. Yeah, maybe that's maybe it's going a little bit up. Give or take, maybe it's this one. Channels, man, channels. Room is ready on the hourly. We'll trace a little on the 50 minutes. Let's ask Ace Ball something. What do you want me to ask 8 Ball, man? Use fixed range volume profile? No, never. We don't do that crazy stuff here. Pullback coming in 3, 2, 1. Nice. Captain predicted the pullback, guys. Captain predicted the pullback. Do you know what I want to do? I wanna trade 1 second chart. I don't know why. I wanna take like $100 or something like that and just trade 1 second charts. Total for standing desk setup. Yeah, I did. I think it would be nice. But you know, in this room I don't have that much. You know, I already got 2 pieces up here. I got a printer on the side, and there is not much room. But it would be nice to have a room with a standing desk setup that you could pull up and lower as well. I think that would be nice, because you could walk around. You could be a little bit more moving. See, people are taking profits taking. I mean, people are still foaming, but there is a lot of profit taking, so it needs to, roll over. Lol, we have rising wedge on 1 second chart. I mean, you can definitely trade 1 second charts, man. It does the same thing. Now there is not a lot of volatility up here. There's not a lot of up here. Right now, go down here. Once it breaks this, it's gonna dump. If it breaks this level down here. Challenge for you: take $10 and use 100x leverage and trade it in 1 second chat with. Can we do that? Let's see up here. How do you do? Can we do that? How can you just $10 limit? How much is $10? VeChain. Long, short. It's only 25x up here. What can we 100x? Bitcoin. Can we Bitcoin 100x? 100%. No, not 100% Bitcoin. 100x. Yeah, short 100x. Isolate. Confirm. New leverage apply. Order quantity. Zero point 0.001, 0.002. No, I cannot. $20. Market. Order value 20. That's 100x, right? Short. Okay. Sounds good. Bottom is in, but look. So we're gonna do open long. $1.9. Open short 0.2. Why is a short $0.2? Something like that, right? That's your margin. This might be a new move. Rising wedge. We're gonna short the F out of this, man. Oh no, it's breaking towards upside. Fake out. This is the short, man. This is the short. Can do this. Market 100 isolated 0.01 open short. Open. Okay, it's only 10 bucks, like 3 bucks, 4 bucks, 5 bucks, something like that. Okay, we did, guys. 100x. 20 bucks. How much? Entry price value 194. Where's our liquidation? Mark was 561, 561 up here. You can put a line on the liquidation price. Liquidated. What was that? 190 bucks? Yeah, but it's only like $2. I think, no, $20. $2. It was actually only $2. 100x. It was only $2. Sorry guys, I want to do 10 bucks. I think it was like 0.1. 0.1 is $20. 0.1 is $20. Okay, so you know, maybe we're gonna add, you know, 18 bucks. Instrumental stop loss will be. No, it's going in a rising wedge. We bought the top, guys. We shorted the top, guys. Don't forget to take profit. It's okay, guys. We gotta write it. $2 short. We in $2 short position 100x. Amazing short timing, guys. Amazing short timing. We aren't here for 10% gains. There we go. We actually in profit, guys. We actually in profit. 0.6%, 0.02 bucks. I mean, if you can get double of the, and this is gonna be a win, guys. This is gonna be a win. At least it's something. At least something, right? There we go. Now we have to break this on the downside. It's gonna be good, nice. Woohoo! There we go. I mean, which other channel is doing, you know, 100x live? I'm at 8%. I'm gonna beat you with my $2. Big trade today. Yeah, big numbers today, guys. Big numbers. There we go. There we go. Where are we gonna take profit down at the bottom down here, maybe? How much is that? How much is that? How much is that? Where do we open? We opened at 464. 464 up here. So right now we are, you know, 0.06 down. This is actually times that. This is like 5. That's like 50%, man. That's like 50% gain. That's like $1, almost $1. Nah, we gotta push it as much as we can. We're gonna maybe add $2 more to the trade. We're gonna add $2 more to the trade. So right now it's going good, man. $2, 100x. It got everybody, you know, as soon as I saw this, you know, wick towards the upside, I knew that was it. But, you know, because you can see here at the top coming in and the volume up here, getting everybody FOMO. This is done. Closing fee. I don't know about closing fee, man, but it's percentages. So if you close 0.010 caution will be closed or less traded plus your expected loss, you know, including fees. Fees are $0.1. Oh. Remember to set the stop loss. Should we set tight stop loss? Guys, I don't think we want to get liquidated. I don't think we want to get liquidated. So we're gonna set stop loss on this baby, okay? I don't want to get liquidated, so you know there will be stop loss. 19,000. Where should we set it? Liquid price is 561, so you're gonna set 560, okay? 560. Confirm. There we go. So we got our liquid price up here. Why did it say up here 61? Oh, 561. Maybe it got changed a little bit. I don't know. So you know, just you know, it's not this line. It's down there. So we don't want to get liquidated, guys. We don't want to get liquidated. You know that you can trade with $2. Now you know. Close by limit. Close limit 352. Okay. We gotta close by limit. Where is it? Take profit. 19. What did I say? 352. 19352. Legendary price will trigger market take profit. How do I set limit take profit? Trailing stop loss. Close by limit. Closing price 352. $1. Okay, we're gonna make $1 exclusive of closing fee 0.1. Okay, that's good. Maybe 350, so we get the dollar. Okay, 352. That's good. I think I confirm 350 closing price. So if we hit, you know, this price, this is right? Confirm. There we go. Trade set. We can go to sleep, guys. We can go to sleep. Actually, I probably put stop loss just above entry. Click post only to ensure limit order. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Post only. There is no post only. Okay. So remove this one. Limit 352. Post only. The post only will be as you as the market order. You as you immediately as a taker, or if you don't click cancel. Very important in limit order. Why is this important? The post order will only be executed as a market order if it can be executed immediately. But I don't want. I wanna take profit as a limit, you know. Why is it still pumping, guys? Stop this pumping stuff. Alif, you're doing well, man. It is limit. But if you put post only, then if you put post only, the post only order will be executed as a market order. So if you put post only, that means it's gonna be it's not no longer a limit order, it's market order. You know, and we wanna avoid the fees. $100x lol is gambling. Here's the things we're going to dump further. We pumping, guys. We pumping. This is not dropping. Why is it not dropping? Maybe the line is down there. No, it's gonna liquidate us, guys. They know guys. They are hunting our liquidation price. They are hunting our liquidation price. We are the target, guys. We are the market sailor. I don't know if you can throw. I mean, institutions got big money, man. They got big money. They can pop it to 1956, 19560. They're trying to, you know, hunt us. They're hunting our stop loss. That's our liquidation price. They want our bucks, man. They want our $2. What should we gonna do? How do you post only on Femex? I don't know. Your high trend lines is below the wicks. Price go to the wicks. Yeah, okay. There you go. but there are more wicks on the bottom side, so it's like this. Maker means limit order, taker means market order, so post only is good. Oh yeah, oh okay, sorry, I think I'm you know, I'm a little bit sleepy. So limit order 352. Market will only be as a market order. Yeah, market, if it can be executed immediately as a taker order, yes, post only. Okay, post only. Okay, I get it. So it's gonna post it. There we go. Profits, guys, profits. Winning 11%, guys, 11%. How much can we actually pump this thing? This is gonna be the biggest win ever, man. Not sure if you're interested, but Sniper Live couple. Yeah, I'm interested. We're gonna check what he is doing because we are waiting for the pullback. So we got nothing better to do, guys. We got nothing better to do. We just have to wait for the pullback. But as you know, at least we got a trade going on. So there is that. We got a trade going on. We are risking $2, guys. Keep adding. When should we be adding on the pullback? Right now, on the pullback, we can add more. How do we add more? 0.01. Okay, market. Can we add more right now? Because right now it's having this pullback up here. It's already had the pullback right now. We're adding on the pullback, right? Okay, we can add more. Open short. Still 100x. Market 0.01. Open. There we go. We added more, guys. We added more. Right now we are $2 more, $4. We gotta update the screen up here. Right now we are $4, 100x short. There we go. We added more. We added to our position because we are confident it will dump. Confidence is building up. We saw the rising wedge. We are trading the rising wedge, you know, breakout. We bought the top. Right now we are adding to the position because confirmation is kicking in. And we are looking to take profit at 1933.52. That's like 50%, you know, move. It will bounce on 10 MA, 20 MA. Which time frame? There is 10, 20 MA on all time frames. It won't dump. 1 hour is still rising. We made 126 profit on BTC breakout yesterday on the file. Nice. Yeah, I mean, that's still $5. I mean, you know, $5 times, you know, 1.2. Scalp short time. Yes, definitely scalp short time. Dumping. We gonna dump in. Nice, very nice. Where's the, you know, dump song when we need one? Where is the dump song when we need that? Guys, our profits are right now 18%. We should have done this, you know, with 100% of our portfolio, man. You hit TP anytime soon, man. Yeah, TP is gonna be hit, man. We're gonna be so happy once we hit the TP. This is history making, definitely. It's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen. Our take profit target is gonna get hit very soon. 352 scalp short time. You're gonna miss it. Nah, I cannot miss the TP, man. I already put the TP, so you know I cannot miss it. Won't add any more lower liquidation point. Yeah, it will lower liquidations point. Right now our liquidation is 554, so we gotta. How can we edit this? Can we edit it down? Can we just put a new and it's just, you know, change the up here? Stop loss. Right now our liquid 554, 550, 60, 54, 53. Because we don't want to get liquid and give them money, right? So we wanna have a stop loss in place. There we go. We changed our stop loss. That's nice. We got a stop loss. We added to the position. We did 100x. We have a take profit target. I mean, is there anything more we can do with this trade, guys? Is there anything more we can do with the trade? Why can this crap happen on days when I'm off work? Try trade all day yesterday and all in one up with $5 profit. $5 is $5. Keep on adding those 5s. 100x gang. More fees, lol. Oh yeah, more fees. It's gonna happen, guys. We're gonna hit profit on the bottom. Now, if this is very bullish, the target should be just something down here at 396 or something like that. So we are hoping for a big dump. Big dump. All of these people that FOMO, like there is a lot of people that FOMO'd up here, you guys. You gotta know that. We are at this move big up. You can see the volume coming, pumping up here higher, but the price is moving towards downside. There is just a lot of people, retail FOMO'd up here. We didn't FOMO up there, guys. We didn't FOMO up there. We are not FOMOing in anything. 66 times for me. I don't have Bybit. Femex and Qcoin will only give 66 now. Ooh, okay. Oh, yeah, 66 is good as well. If you guys can $5. EMA ribbon, say long. EMA ribbon. Nah, I got chills. Let's see the some indicators up here. Bollinger Bands. Right now up here, we came to the top up here on the Bollinger 1 minute time frame. Ichimoku cloud says bullish until down there, but that so we can pull back all the way to 289 in 1 minute chart. Moons, there is no moons. Let's clear up and add EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon says we undo support. We're all retail plebs. Yeah, every single one. I'll go down to the least 94.12. But our take profit is down 19,352. So, guys, you're not allowed to be bullish in the chat. If you are bullish in the chat right now, you get kicked out, unfortunately. Only bad news, only FUD is allowed in the chat right now. This is fine, guys. This is fine. It's just pulling back. Doing the retest. The retest up here. It's not the real retest. The retest is up here at, And nickel and dime I trace all day long. Send to zero. There we go. Beat this 1 hour. Yeah. Push the FUD, guys. Push the FUD. Time pin as well. Bitcoin is going to zero. There we go. Push the FUD. I'm bullish. Okay, you can in the timeout. No, just kidding. I'm making pull up to 200 smoothed weekly average. Sure. Weekly clean. 200. I don't know why you wanted to smooth it, but whatever. It's down there. I don't know what that tells you, but it's down there. And if you look at our 200 moving average, it's up here. And simple moving average is all the way up here. So down there and up here, down there and up here. We are below both of them. It's okay. This is normal pullback. Double top works beautifully right now. It's already broke down. It's already broke the trend. So right now, I'm just doing this move down. Bits below all EMAs. Sell before it's too late. I'm gonna trade. Yeah, we are in a 100x trade, 4x short position on Bitcoin. Long term, you can't be bearish on Bitcoin. Of course you can't. Imagine buying 90k is so expensive. Yeah, very expensive. Dang. We want to buy it at 10k. What do you make if 50 minutes? What do I make off 50 minutes RSI? Not much. Should be up. Yeah, it's a little bit high up here. Like this top up here. It just exploded a little bit too high. But it can just consolidate here. So I think it might be pulled down a little bit down here. So we're gonna see. Either way, however you see it, it needs to pull down, I think. So the pullback will come, guys. The pullback will come. Meanwhile, let's check our coins up here. Polkadot up here, pulling nicely. See this batch of, very nice moving averages up here. I would like to move down here and then go up again. I like to move down there. Let's see Mana. Mana is no pullback. Mana is just no pullback, guys. Mana is just like, nope, we're going up, we don't care. XRP, kind of some kind of pullback up there, but not quite sure what's happening up here. This was sand, waves. This is gonna be tight, guys. This is gonna be tight because our stop loss is at 553. So 553. I mean, we still got room left, yo. It's nice. There we go. Hit the resistance. Getting rejected by that. Very nice. All good so far. Until we got to 19.8 before a pullback. I played Mana. It was kind of trash. Mana got no chill. What trading platform? Bybit. We're using Bybit. The gamblers platform. The casino. The Bybit casino. This is what gets people to FOMO in, right? This is what gets people don't know how to draw the trend lines, right? People don't know how to draw the trend lines, so they don't see already that the trend is already broken. So they see right now that the price is going higher than previous price, so they think, oh, it's going higher, buy. But what they don't understand is this is a normal movement up here. Even this is normal movement, and then falls down, and then falls down, and then falls down, right? That's a normal pattern that's happening right now. And we are back. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Mark Pellerin, because he doesn't understand. Sorry, Mark. People don't understand how these things work, so they think, and we're back because we went above the previous levels up here. And we're back. We're going up, right? But the move is already done. The move is already done. Rising wedge broke. Right now, retesting that up there. The move's already done. Like if you look at this only on a 1 hourly time frame or something like that. 30 minutes time frame, like it looks like, oh, we are still continuing on, pushing it towards the upside and stuff like that. No, we're not. See, a lot of people FOMO in. What the, dude? No. Who bought, guys? I told you not to buy. I told you not to, and I got liquidated. Did you hear that? No, I didn't get liquidated. It's all good, guys. It's all good. Our stop loss is still in profit. Who is buying? Who is buying? I not buy. Only FUD. No bullish news. Don't buy. Sell, guys. Sell. Pullbacks don't create higher high. Of course they do. I want your $4. Who wants my $4? See, we close below the line. Did you see up here those weak sell now? Look at the volume. That's done. That's done. Got everybody to FOMO in. Suddenly, everybody broke certain threshold. Bam! Everybody FOMO'd in. Hit some kind of liquidations and bam! Right down again. When can I enter? Exactly on the line, guys. Exactly rejection on the line. This up here, it doesn't matter. Exactly rejection on the line. We are still in the trade. It's all good, guys. It's all good. The $4 is it's going good. I have 4 shorts in already. Would you look at RLC if you're down 30%? Okay, man, since you're down 30%, man, RLC. Maybe, but why RLC? What's up, with RLC? %. Ah, you're down 30% from the top though. You bought up here, man. Why did you FOMO in? Why did you FOMO in? You FOMO up here at the top. You saw the price go up. Then you FOMO'd up here. And right now, I don't know where did you buy? Where did you buy up here? You bought the top, man. You bought the top. Did you buy the top, man? Yep, call the top because I'm stupid. Nice, very nice. It happens, man. It happens. Here's the first row, 135. I mean, you could done a little bit better than that, man. You could done, I mean, you know, you could buy it up here, but you know, but 135 is pretty legit. It's pretty legit, but you know, you could have done a little bit better. 143. Doesn't matter, man. Doesn't matter. When you see these kind of moves, guys, when you see, you know, I did a lot of this before. Don't buy green key. Just forget about it. Just forget about it. This is not something you want to follow. Yeah, you might want to short, but you never want to. Just like we right now are looking at Bitcoin right now, we are waiting for pullback. If pullback never comes, just forget about it. You know, there will be new day tomorrow and stuff like that, right? We need a pullback if you want to go long for this, right? So we are not going over here and buying this, you know, the tops up here. Right now, a lot of people like Mo is buying this top up here, but we know what's happening. We can see on the chart what's happening. We see, you know, that exhaustion is happening up here towards upside. We can see this secondary move where everybody FOMOs in, and right now it's going down. It's gonna break this level on the downside. We're gonna take profit on the downside, right? We don't FOMO in on the green candles, right? Mo, I'm sorry, but you know, maybe there will be some kind of relief move later or something like that, but you know. Was it RLC? Did you say RLC? Yeah. So it's still above the moving averages. It's still got some kind of higher high and higher lows up here, and it's still going towards upside. Oh my god, this is a bear flag. Oh man. I don't know. Not this one. $0.92. How can this go down here? Everything goes up, guys. How can this go down here? Everything goes up. I don't get it. How can this go down and everything goes up? That's how you learn through. Domo. Mama Sniper is Sheldon's new trading partner. No way. I gotta check that out. Panther is live.
Throw everything together, you have to buy all the stuff. It's nerve-wracking. Like, I don't know how you feel about it, but it's a lot to do what we do every single day.
No, it is a lot. As exciting as it
is this his mom? Is your force safe? I don't know, man. It's 100x. It's never safe.
It's very exciting, and I'm very happy and to get through this on the next one, through thick or thin, through
Mama
good,
Sniper.
This is exactly what we want to do,
him.
And this is the goal that we
That's
want
his
to
mom.
do.
Nice.
We here to,
he needed, you know, emotional support.
To teach, to learn, to make mistakes, to do well, to do everything together. And that's, you know, it's a type of a support structure we didn't have going through all this, and it is so critical. And I think that's why it's just so important to create the structure for everybody around us. I'm very exciting. As nerve-wracking as it is, with the markets and the way it's going and everything, we've just got to trade what we trade and what we see. But it's a very exciting journey. So
Mom,
thank you.
Mom, come here.
Yeah,
we're gonna stream together.
I think before we jump into the charts, we'll get into the charts now.
My mom lives in another house.
Also, like,
maybe I should, you know, FaceTime my mom. I'm gonna FaceTime my mom.
Having the support together and these things.
And then we're gonna stream together.
Lesson to the people as well. To have that support structure.
She'll literally
to have that. I got my mom here, and I'm damn proud of it. Like, I'm sitting here, and we're gonna kick ass together. So.
Bring the mom.
I'm excited, mom. Welcome.
I'm getting my wife and my kids. Everybody, whole family. We need to be better, guys. We need to be better.
Let's see what
gonna get my wife.
So guys,
my mom, my sister, my kids, my you know, family-in-law, everybody on the stream. We're gonna sit in the living room and stream. Everybody will be trading on the phone. I'll be like, okay, long this, short that.
Quite hard, which has gotten me very far.
My coach.
But I don't always think too much about
being your dog too, my dog too as well. Man,
when
you're
my
trading
mom's got
futures, Bitsy, right?
View of that. She's very experienced, and she's been through a lot of, you know, like, controlling of the emotions as well. So her main strength is like taking the step back and being able to like if things are going really well, she can take the step back and also look at, you know.
By the way, when this I think Sheldon was talking that his dad left, you know, he lost his dad when he was young or something like that. When did he lose his dad? No, he lost his dad
also look
quite
at
late.
Things. And if portfolios, what are we doing on spots? And
I feel like he talks too much about, you know, emotions and stuff like that. Like, nobody wants to know that, man. I don't care what your mom is going through, man. I don't care what her strengths are. I want to see trades.
Think myself make mistakes in front of you. People
I don't
are
think he's
going to
gonna
make
pull
mistakes,
back now. He's gonna
but at
pump.
least
Check
you're
out the
giving you a
RSI.
broad range of all the
Nah,
different
nah,
things
it's
that
gonna
so
good.
you
It's
can
gonna good. It's
ultimately
gonna
build
good. Right now, creating
your
this
strategies and all these sort of things. So I
secondary,
think, Mom, I think
you
let's
know,
go through the
expanding
first
channel
thing
up here maybe.
of where we're obviously looking at short time
We can
frame
still
right
get
now.
liquidated, guys. We can
The
still get
first thing I want to
liquidated.
show you guys is if we look at
We
the
gotta do
total
like
market
this up
cap.
here, you know. That
You
is
see
good.
here on the 1 hour, you know, the markets, it's very much
He looks 1 hour. We look at 1 minute, guys. Who is better?
in a small range. So why people ask, why did I step back
Just show
last
me the
week
money,
and
or
not
in my
trade
case,
more?
watch my money
Was
drain
because
away.
we've been sitting in this little range, and for me,
Well, don't
you
buy
know, the
green
market's
candles, man.
only moving
Wrong
in
people
like
wanna
a
see
3
emotions.
to
We are emotion
4%.
squeeze.
That's all that it's doing.
Yeah, maybe that
so
is that.
the checks that you want to do is when you want to trade
So
this
Rebecca-
market, you want to jump in and
I said, Rebecca, I just watched your last stream, and 5 minutes later, I'm back for this one. GMT3 long up, good, making it cup. Where are we? Looks good.
look, okay, like what is
Might
this
be
market offering right now? That the market's only giving 3 to 4% trades right now.
5 minute
So if
break.
you're trading short time frame, you make the money 3,
We are
4,
not trading
5%,
short time
and you
frames.
get
We are
out.
on a
And then you
minute
do it
time
again,
frame.
and
I
if it's
mean, we
longing
could
and
go down
shorting,
to like
that's all
second,
that the
but you know,
market's
we are
offering
big
right
time
now
frames. 1 minute.
until one of these lines are broken. When one of these lines are broken, you can then go match it up to Bitcoin and be like, okay, like now the range has changed. Now I can maybe hold my trades a little bit longer. And instead of looking at 3, 4, 5% trades, I can be looking at 10% trades, 15% trades. So right now, this is where we're sitting. And that's why I haven't been rushing too much. You know, people say like, oh, Sniper, you running or these sort of things. I just know when not to trade as well too much, because here you can exhaust yourself and you can throw away a lot of capital in this little zone over here because you're thinking it's a 10% market, but it's only a 3% market right now. And you can see how you will slowly burn yourself. Hit him up.
No, and sometimes a good trade is no trade, you know, is to actually just sit back and watch and see what is going on. The markets will always be there. I think people get this fear that, oh, I've missed it, but you haven't. There will always be another trade and the market will always be there. So
I think we
sometimes
tend
just be
to
patient is
exhaust
key.
ourselves. Yeah, I think we tend to exhaust ourselves before the big action happens. And then when the big action happens, you miss out on those opportunities. So we're not running from nothing. It's more being smart and leading by example from you guys just to be, you know, sort of showing. But ideally, this is what we're looking at, guys. If you jump on the 1 hour, you want to draw these two lines in play over here. And we're waiting for a clear direction move. Now, right now, there's no break of any of these trends just yet. So it does show that this could be the possibility for you know, a little while to come. And you can see very much if you look at the Bitcoin chart at the moment, you can see where's the Bitcoin. Like nothing's stopping Bitcoin now going here and doing the same thing that it's done for the last few days now. Come back here and go back there and come back there. So we can see very clearly that the total market cap's ranging. But all we can do at that time is to understand, okay, if I am trading right now, it's mainly to make my $50 a day or to make my very short-term just cash flow. And these are 2-3% trades. You know, that's what it is there. And then you want to be like, okay, but what happens if that changes? And if that changes, what are the key things that are going to give me that indication? And you can see that very clearly on the total market cap, that the bottom or the top, those either one break of those ranges, something changes, which means the strategy will now change. Now, if we jump onto that, and another big thing, I just want to have a look at it here as well, is we know that the market's been following the stock market too. So, you know, you just want to sort of look here. The stock market did lose some sort of rhythm last week. And we will see if it can reclaim and break in here. You know, it will give us an indication that top line can break for Bitcoin. Or if we reject it, we come down hard, you know, the bottom line can be dropped down there too. Now, if that dominant, this total market cap, if we break the top line, I want to paint the picture that if we break the top line, you know, we can be seeing a Bitcoin go back to 21. Will it go further from that? We can't say that just yet. 21, 22, 23. We drop the bottom line, Bitcoin goes down to the lows. Maybe it breaks it. Maybe it goes to 16K. Maybe it goes to 15K. You know, at least I'm painting the picture of what we're looking at. Now, let's go jump in and let's go have a look with Bitcoin here. So right now, if you're looking for trades and you want to make some money, 3-4% trades is what the market's giving you right now until proven wrong. So
And
for
take your
me,
profit before somebody else does, you know.
Yeah.
It's one of Craig's favorite sayings is, you know, if you're in profit, don't be greedy, just take it. Take it before somebody else is going to take it. Especially while we're in this choppy up and down and where the market's still trying to figure out which way it's going.
yeah, you could basically see from here where we were this morning, you know, 2 to 3% up to the top is what Bitcoin's offering to the resistance, and 2% to the downward side. So for me, if this goes up here and I jump onto, like, let's say the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes as a short time sort of view, you know, a short-term short makes sense for me. We get to this level over here, short-term short, stop loss under previous high over there, and we could come all the way back down here. You know, the market's doing that. That's the current range that we're looking at. So if Bitcoin now makes a way to the top regions over here, a short-term short here makes sense for me. With the stop loss outside of that trend, it makes sense. But look to use this tool over here, and I think it's a very important tool for you guys to use. You see this long and the short position tools over here. Use them, because they're going to teach you risk to reward. So if I want to take a short, and I want to short from here now, and I'll be like, okay, so you put this tool down, and you can see it basically gives you like a ratio, right? And if I take the bottom here to say, if I short here now, this top one, where would my stop loss be? It will be above that little high over there. And where would I take profits if this thing comes down? And you can see what it basically does here for you is it sets a risk to reward ratio. And you can see that I will have a 0.5% stop loss. Okay. And if the trade goes right in my favor, I will make a 3%. So I'm basically looking at a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. You know, I'm willing to risk a certain percent, and my gains is 6 times bigger than what my loss would
Falling
be.
back, retest.
If I get it right.
We can
So
add
same
more
thing
to
with the
position,
long
guys.
as well. Like
We can add more to position, guys, right now. We can add more. 2 more bucks. Open shorts, under we added more to position, guys. We added more to position, and when you add more to the position, you gotta adjust your stop loss, right? Because right now our liquidation 557, so we gotta add it at stop loss 557, 550. Actually went a little bit up, 556. Confirm. There we go. Nice, because it went up here, the third, first test, secondary test, third test. I gotta take this. I think this is just something like. Commercial. We added more to the position, guys. Added more to the position. Right now we are in $6. See, slowly we're building the position. We're building the position, guys. We're building. Which coin you trading? We're trading Bitcoin, guys. We're trading Bitcoin. But disclaimer before we continue, guys. For new guys that don't know what's happening, we are actually waiting for the pullback on coins. People in the chat says there will be no pullbacks. I say there will be pullbacks. So we are having a little bit fight argument whether there will be or not be pullbacks. So while we are waiting for the pullbacks, we did something crazy and took $2 and went 100x short on Bitcoin. Because I believe in the pullback, they don't believe in pullbacks. And we added $2 more to that position, so we went up to $4. And right now we add even more to that position because we are so convinced that it will be a pullback. Now our liquidation price is all the way up here at 556, actually 556 right now. Sorry, it's 557, 556, but yeah, 557, but we put at 556, and our take profit targets at 352. See, our entry point up here is at 19,460. Liquidation, stop loss. We got a stop loss $1 below where we should be liquidated because we don't want to get liquidated. And everybody tells us, stop loss is a good thing. So there's that. Limit profit taking up down here at 352. I'm a bad influence. Where are we going? You think up? We're going up, but we need a pullback. 100x influence from me. I'm scared about Bybit. It's safe to put money there. Just like every other exchange, man. Just like every other exchange. Right now we were in 1% profit. Like this moves like 1 pip up and 1 pip down, and 10% goes there. By the way, if something happens on the stream, on the Sheldon stream, somebody
come
tells me.
Shorter time frames, you must remember, as you're coming down and as we're moving down.
Is his mom a trader as well? I mean, is this a trader family? Does she know, you know, TA?
Yeah, there's going. We do know
Yeah,
that
there's still a lot of time until the next bull run. Like the
so-
real bull run it's a lot of time.
Yeah, until we break these higher time trend lines, you know, until we break out of these, come back and retest, then we'll say, okay, maybe we're bullish now, you know. And
Yeah, she knows TA, guys.
But
She knows
currently,
TA.
We know. So
Learned his
for
skills
me, I
from your
mean,
mom.
there's so many different directions that it could go at the moment. We know
She knows
we
when.
break.
I mean, how can his mom know better TA than you guys, huh? How can his mom know better TA than you guys? Shame on you guys, shame on you. No disrespect to his mom, you know, she's probably very good, you know, but, you know, you need to pick up your game, guys. See, very nice trend line. She knows when the bull run is gonna start, but I bet she knows also, you know, down here is a very good buy.
Down, we take up, test this lower level over here, because we haven't done that yet, and normally we do, and then have our second leg down to the 20. So if Bitcoin, obviously we'll decide that once you've got your trend lines drawn on the smaller time frames, we'll decide that. But in that line going up there, we've got plenty trades. We've got plenty trades up and down, and that's what the people don't understand, is that it doesn't mean we're bullish if we say no, we're going long. It's just we're taking the smaller trades in and out. Obviously, trying to do it as risk-free as possible, and then we'll obviously assess the market on a higher time frame with our trend lines to see when we turn bullish. I think that's the thing, is when do you know when we're turning bullish?
Pretty much
and I think on a higher time frame, it's just very clear for us. You know, draw your trend line and keep that, and we can keep on bouncing off this line until we've reached the bottom. So we mustn't obviously take this one out. I think that is quite a possibility that we can still, because if you have a look, if we go to all of the other altcoins, and I'll go there now, the reason why we say that is because, and a lot of you should know this, but I think we get a lot of questions. So when you break out, there's normally a retest of the lower levels before. And we haven't come back down to retest this level. So that's why the possibility is so strong. We've broken out so strong, but we haven't actually come back down to retest this level. So the likelihoods of coming back down to retest these levels are very high.
She looks at
and
13K.
It goes for every single coin. I mean, Theta, everybody knows.
Oh yeah, she likes
Theta.
Theta. Okay, yes.
But it's never come back to retest these levels over here. So if Bitcoin is going to work its way down, I know that I'm still working down here. Doesn't mean I'm not trading it every day or every second day or every third day. I take short-term trades, but I don't force a trade. And you know, if you wake up and there is no trade or you miss a trade, just take the time off. There will be another trade. The market will be there.
The market, yeah, she knows everything, guys. She good.
Trading every single day, because
I think she was a trader before.
When you start over trading and you start losing. So just basically take the
I always said, like, women should be you know, could be a lot better trader, because they're a lot more patient, a lot more systematic in the things they do. That's why Captain on this show is always doing well. Captain is the only girl in the chat. She's doing very well because she's patient, you know, patient, and you know, she doesn't have the same kind of, you know, drive that we guys do. We guys, like, we gotta prove ourselves. We gotta do the wins. We gotta make money, you know. But they're like, no, it's okay. Like $10 is fine, $50 is fine, $100 is fine. You know, 150, $200 is fine. Like, they slowly, like, build that position, you know, huge. Like, they don't care. They don't care. No, I'm just gonna do 5% of my portfolio, and you know, only like, you know, 2x, and it's fine, you know. But, you know, slowly that builds up. I'm also a girl. There we go, 2 girls. Okay. Yeah, won't seem to be strong psychology in general, but happy to be here with you. Thanks for doing this. None of my friends trade. You're right about looking bullish today. GMT was 79 and went to 81.5, now coming down, but not lower than we were when I got in. Yeah, so I'm still very much bullish. I just think this short-term move over here needs to pull down. I don't know how much it's gonna pull down, when we're gonna get in and stuff like that. Polkadot did pull down right now, doing this secondary move towards the upside. Let's see up here. Secondary move to the upside. So I think this is also gonna you know, bounce back down again. I'm a girl, 3 girls. Okay, 3 girls. Wow, too many girls in the chat. Women are emotional, men are logical. But I think that can be, I think, you know, when it comes to trading, I think that can actually
Because we
be,
haven't gone to go. That is basically a resistance.
that
line. We
can
haven't gone to go
be,
test
you
the
know,
resistance.
that can be a good thing. Because there is no drama when it comes to chart, right? It just goes up and down. So, you know, you can, I don't think they overreact, even though they think more on emotional side, they can also control their emotions a lot better. The women are more disciplined. Yeah, so I think if women start trading, I think they would be, you know, but it just, you know, for most women, this just isn't that interesting. There is no social interaction with the charts. They don't get, you know, the same kind of kick that we get out of, you know. But I think if they did trade, I think they would do better, and especially if they, like, you know, learn, you know, decent tech analysis, learn how this stuff works and stuff like that. I think they would do better.
A nice little relief.
Because I know, guys, you know, we are very competitive and we are very, you know, edgy, and, you know, it takes a lot for us to, you know, calm down. So if this breaks towards upside, our 100% long is, if this breaks up, we're gonna get liquidated, guys. He was split and read a bunch of books on tea and stuff and wrote down his mistakes, and he made himself a set of rules based on his base. He based them pretty strictly. Yeah, so I know that Sheldon is a trader, and with experience as well. So
We must not.
So I
there's
think
little
we'll
space in
spend,
between.
because we obviously got 3 more shows this week that we're going to run together. I think there'll be 1 live trading session this week as well, maybe 2. We'll see how it goes. Maybe even later we'll see what happens. And I think throughout this week we'll go through a lot of altcoins on higher time frame. I think we'll jump through, build some strategies.
my wife tells
you
me
know
to
what I mean,
take the
long-term
win. She
spots. I
helps
think
me
we can
take
work
the small
beautifully
wins
with
and
the
trade
community.
with more
Are you
the next
trading
trade.
anything right now on leverage or
Yeah,
short
my
time
wife
frame?
is
Are you
also every
trading
time
anything
we
right
get
now?
guys, every time I get stopped out, my wife is like, why didn't you take the win? Like, if you did like the last 5 times you get stopped, like, we just took the wins at 10, 15%, 20%. The small profits, you would be like doubled. You would already be like 4,000 right now, and that's true. Like, if you just took the small wins, or we would have been at. It wants to break out. We're gonna get liquidated, guys. No pullbacks. Don't label all. Maybe in this pandemic world, men have become more emotional, but other than that, my wife always complains when I'm looking at charts and when she catches me wearing her underwear. Yeah, I would also complain if you are watching charts too much.
What are you for coins and these sort of things? Like, I think that's bullcrap
Do what's comfortable for you. There's no wrong.
Yeah, but it's only $4. It's only $4. Disclaimer: it's only $4. Because we got another better to do, because we didn't buy the bottom. We waiting for a pullback. The pullback never comes. It just keeps on rising, and it looks like it wants to roll over, but you can just do like this and then you go towards the upside. Depends on how bullish this is, right? There we go, back in the triangle. Told you not pulling back that much, gonna pump. Yeah, I know you guys told me, but I'm still sticking to my guns. We're gonna pull back down here. We're gonna see that. This is gonna be right now a pull of 0.7%, maybe even more, but that's the target. Bro, DXY is dumping. No pullback until DXY pulls back a bit. Guys, this is 1 minute charts, guys. This is 1 minute charts. It definitely can pull back even though if DXY is dumping. There's a reason there are more guy trades. Yeah. Do you have any luck with the ship the other day? Nah, I don't think so. How did that ship trade go actually? My wife only complains when I watch for you shoot for 6 hours straight. If she got problem with that, tell her to talk to me, and then I'm gonna have a chat with her, and there will be no more problems, man. I know guys who know guys, no problem, man. Our ship short, yeah, we won. Our ship, we got 2 ship shorts up here, and yeah, we took profits on both of them. 0.7 and 26% profit, so ship went okay. We can go to 19.350 in 10 seconds and be back over 19.5 in 5 minutes. Exactly. Exactly.
And there's over here. Obviously, I missed that.
Why does anybody know why she always does anybody know why she always just trades theta? Does she just like theta and, you know, likes to know what she's doing, or is there another reason for that? In a 50x short, we lose 4 or make 40. Not a gamble, not a bad gamble in my opinion. That's pretty decent, that's pretty decent. Do you know what I want to do after the 400 to a million challenge? I want to do $1 to a million challenge, and I want to start with 100x until we hit something like 400 bucks. She just got really used to that coin, yeah. And guys, do you remember the rule number 1 and 2 in the TFN Scalp? Number 1, do not fall in love with a coin. Do not fall in love with a coin, okay? Just because you get a nice trade from one coin, do not, you know, do not fall. You know, I know what people are saying, yeah, but you know, understand, you know, how the coin moves. You can understand how everything moves. The patterns are, you know, same place all over the place. You know, crypto is one space. Just her thing, she knows it, she senses the moves. Okay, it might be that.
So our chart, the hour is, it's too late for me to enter now.
So
I will check the next move to see if we're going to make a higher high. We've got a very nice trend line forming over here on the hour. So draw your trend line. This is exactly what Sheldon has taught everybody. Just draw your trend line. So we've got a nice little movement over there. So wait for it to obviously come back down, retest, because we'll always come back down to retest the level. And if we ever break these levels, that's when you know obviously when to get out. And I mean, that's, I think we want to discuss strategies with the guys as well. It's something Sheldon and I discussed.
Where can GMT go? I don't know.
We want to be able to
I'm a little bit bearish on that because it was so hyped.
One of Sheldon's best strategies is these trend lines and sticking to it. That when they break formation,
TFN does not talk about TFN.
Get out or get in. You know.
No, you gotta talk about TFN stuff, man. You definitely gotta talk about TFN stuff.
You know, one of my strategies, other strategies that we want to discuss with you guys is my micro alts. I mean, that's a different type of strategy that I have. That we want to bring to you guys, and I want to show you why. You know, I've done a whole lot of research.
Oh, this is actually quite bullish.
Well, I think, Mommy, if you want, I just want to go through just quickly Bitcoin and the
it broke to ups. I failed.
Retested, and right now going back up again. And on 1 and 2 alts, you know, for the guys that are looking for a very short-term sort of trade.
This mom's
and then
good.
I think you need to dive into your micro alt strategy. I think that for the higher time frame.
Yeah, I would definitely watch her channel, man. Theta channel. Theta TA channel.
Quick, and then let's then have a look.
Oh, this is bad. You can see here the breakout up here, and then a retest, and then right now going for a second move, creating a high up here. This can definitely go all the way up there. Now we're gonna get liquidated, guys. Unfortunately, banging on the top again. Yeah, banging on the top again. There's a huge resistance up here, so you know it needs to break. But if this fails for a second time, then it's definitely down. On the other hand, if it's managed to move towards the upside, then it's, you know.
So minutes is right at the top now. I think Bitcoin's going to go a little bit higher over here, and I think there is a temporary
no little bit higher, man.
It may come down to the early 19,000s. We'll see. Unless
yeah, pullback. See, Sheldon is on my side. We're gonna have a pullback, guys.
See why you have this tool here to work out your percentages here. To say that if I enter the
cash out, there is no cash out, man. This is 100x.
This is the calculated risk. Now remember, if you take any leverage or you take any margin,
this is broken.
This is telling you a 0.30% is what you're risking. Now, if you take a 3x, you times that by 3, which means you'll lose 1%. If it's a 5x, you will lose 1.5% if you get stopped out. So use that as a sort of tool. Now, if it breaks through, it just means you take a little bit of a risk hit, but it means now, okay, shit, I shouldn't be shorting anymore. I should be waiting for the RSIs to reset again, and I should be looking at longs because we know that big pump is coming at some point. That relief bounce is coming, and you don't want to miss that either through the times. So if Bitcoin goes up here for short-term short, the ones that sort of come to mind for me is Solana. Like if you have a look at Solana over here, it's showing the exact same pattern as Bitcoin right now. So for me, if it comes up here, short-term short for me, it can easily come back down here. Now remember what I said in the beginning of the show.
Full in love,
the market
man.
is offering 3 to 4%. So if a 3 to 4% interest to you, you know, then it makes sense. Okay, cool. I can take a short-term little short here, use the tool, So you take this tool over here, you click it in over there.
Stop loss
you
will
say,
hit
okay,
before
sweet.
pullback.
If I'm
It
looking
might
at
be
this
that.
now
It might
and
be
I
that.
wanted to put my
It's
stop,
okay.
I'd be risking 0.86. Maybe a 2x works. You don't have to do 5, 7x. I think that's where the people are getting very like stuck in the leverage and stuff. Like you got to just calculate that, and you can be looking at a 1 to 3% to the downside. So your risk to reward is 1 to 4. You could see there. So for me here, short-term short on Solana, the market's only offering 3 to 4% right now. So be happy and take your profits very early on them until we get the bigger range breakout. That's all that the
He's
market's
gonna
offering.
short.
So Solana would be one of the only ones I'm interested in. Bitcoin would be the other ones I'm interested in on a short time frame. And if we get stopped out, make sure you put your stop losses, learn risk management, guys. If we get stopped out, we're looking at, in the next 2 days, we're looking at a long entry on a retest. And that could possibly be the big one that takes Bitcoin to 25K.
down.
I'm very patient for that, and I know that's going to be a streak that we're going to hit, and we're going to hit it hot. It's going to be really every single loss that we take at times in 2 weeks or in a week's time. You don't even understand how quickly you make it back when you get like 2 or 3 right in a proper run. Like, I don't think anyone understands. Like, the main goal is to survive in these very choppy stages. You survive it, and we get a really true breakout. You make back plus.
Okay, he isn't doing any trades. Still in this, right, expanding wedge. So this, it went up here, broke down. It went up here, broke down. It went up here, breaks down, goes up here, breaks down, breaks down. Yeah, good. We can add a short up here, guys. I think we can add more to the short. Don't you think, guys? I think we can add more to short. Again, 100x isolated, $2 more open short. Confirm. There we go. We opened more right now. Our value is 778. 100x position margin $8, down 27%. We gotta adjust our stop loss. We gotta adjust our stop loss. Where is it? So stop loss is right now 571, 570. Confirm. Nice, 570. So this is right over here right now. We can pull it up to 570. There we go. There we go. So good, so good. What's the estimate profit now at 1350? Estimated profit. Oh man, I told you they will stop hunting me. They wanted the $8, man. They wanted the $2. Then they saw that I raised the stake to $4. Then they saw that I raised the stake to $6. There were $8 that we gotta get that. We gotta get that, guys. We gotta get that. We gotta get that $8, guys. We gotta do it. They were going for me, guys. They were going for me. Oh man, see, it's just a week. It's just like 1 second week towards upside. They are definitely going for me. They knew where my stop loss is, but they could not, they could not wait anymore. They had to get me. They had to get me. Oh man. Done. Man. 2502. Estimate, he says, go now. Speechless. And right now it's going down, of course, because we had this, the pump. It's going to break down, it's going to go down, and I always get stopped out, man. I always get, I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing. I think they know that, 1% is up there. People are doing 100x, crazy stuff up there and stuff like that. So we short collusion. Yeah, definitely collusion. They, institutionals, traders, pro desk traders, they know every single dollar. They know every single dollar. And, we tried our best to see right now breaking down everything. Everything is working as expected beside these weeks, guys. These weeks are, getting to me big time. Must be. My high is 19,537. I'm scared. Now dump for, yeah, of course now we dump. We are actually waiting. This went up here, then it went up there, then it went up there. It was just like, that's why I increased position up here, because this needs to go down. And, wicked me out exactly up there. I mean, it was a little bit up here, 84 or something like that. We might have survived, but, He just went up there, wicked us out, and right back down again. They know, guys. They know. I don't know how they know, but they know. BlackRock stole TLS $4. It wasn't 4, it was $8. We increased the position 3 times. This is watching the stream. We got stream sniped, guys. We got stream sniped, unfortunately. Lost $8. 100x trade. Got liquidity. Waiting for pullback for trade. There we go. The life of a trader, guys. The life of a 100x trader. Told you I'm bad influence.
So much more.
Is the stream done?
And the stress about it. So first of all, let me actually just go here. I've got, I call it my cheap coins, but I feel so bad calling it cheap coins. But low cost tokens, which is
cheap coins, low cost tokens. She don't want to say shit coins, so she is calling them cheap coins, and even then she feels bad. So
whatever it is. And let me actually just go here. I've got, I call it my cheap coins, but I feel so bad calling it cheap coins. But low cost tokens, which is
low cost tokens. I mean, she's adorable, guys. She's adorable. Low cost tokens. See, I mean, women are so gentle and nice. Low cost tokens. We just say shit coins, but she's like low cost tokens. I'm getting profit on the short. Nice. Dude, watch the dollar chart. Dollar goes up, BTC goes down. Somebody already like that. Nice. His mom is nice. He's my, you know, I like his mom. He's okay. Ah, that week, man, that week. The story of my life, man. The story of my life. We gotta get this under control. These weeks, we gotta get it under control. Bigger time frame as well. Finally broke down. You didn't sleep well, Sasha, don't be reckless. See, first break. There was second break up here. There was a third break up there right now, right? So it breaks, right? You can actually technically say this was the second break up here. So first break up there, and then right now going up here, second break. There was some kind of, maybe some kind of trend line up here or something like that, right? And then breaks down. It breaks down more. And goes down below down here, and then goes down below down here, and then you have a, you know, full-fledged pullback. But this can take time. Safe moves a S-coin, not an altcoin. July 11 for more buys. Yeah. So guys, we streamed for like 3 hours right now. I think we're gonna take a break, and then we're gonna do another stream, and you know, we actually have a pullback, and I actually think that, you know, we might be getting to somewhere where we can actually do some trading. Because I think everything needs a pullback. It just, you know, pumped a lot up here. Dota actually has a pullback. Mana needs a pullback. SRP needs a pullback, maybe. You know, I don't know what this is doing. Sen needs a pullback, so I think it needs a little bit pullback. So until Bitcoin is done with pullback, I think we can actually wait a little bit. So you know, been 3-hour stream, so we're gonna take a little break and then we're gonna come back with another stream when something is actually happening, and if I'm well rested, of course. I hope you enjoyed the stream though. There was a trade. There was definitely a trade on the stream. I hope you learned something from that. You know, it's been nice chatting with you guys as well. Yeah. Yeah, could take a while. Yeah, this could take a while. Okay, guys. Not 5-minute break, but you know, longer break. We're gonna stream on a little bit later. Okay. Ciao.